Respected teachers and all my dear friends, today I am going to talk about a very important question. Are we truly free on this Independence Day? As we celebrate the day when India got its freedom from British rule, it's important for us to think about what freedom really means. Freedom is not just being able to go where we want or do what we please. True freedom means that everyone is treated equally with respect and dignity. It means that everyone has the opportunity to live a happy and fulfilling life, no matter who they are or where they come from. But when we look around us, do we see true freedom for everyone? We still see many people, those who are not treated fairly, who do not have the same opportunity as others. We see poverty, inequality, and discrimination in our society. We see people who are not able to speak up for themselves, who are not able to make their own choices. So, are we truly free on this Independence Day? I believe that we have come a long way since 1947, but we still have a long way to go. As young citizens of this great country, it's our responsibility to work towards a society where everyone is truly free. We can do this by standing up for what is right, speaking out against injustice, and treating everyone with respect and kindness. Let us remember the sacrifice of our freedom fighters who fought for our independence. Let us honor them by working towards a better and more inclusive India. Let us strive for a country where